Hello guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I will show you how to add automatic captions or subtitles to a video in Spanish. So before we get started, please don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. So first, you can click the first link in the description, or you can just Google Adobe Captions. So from there, go to the first search result. So this is the website that we will be using to add automatic captions in German onto your video. So from here, click on Upload your video. A new page will load on which you can drag and drop your video, which needs to be up to 5 minutes. So if your video is longer than 5 minutes, you can split it in a few different sections and then edit it back together. So before I upload my video, I will go to Languages and I will select Spanish. Now let's upload the video. So as soon as you upload your video, the process of adding automatic captions will start. Depending on how long your video is, this can take a few minutes. So after about a minute of loading, I've got my captions on my video. And as you can see on this menu here, you can choose between many different types of captions. So if I don't like this one, I can try out, let's say, this one. And now if I play the video, you can see that the captions have a different style to them. Also, if you don't like the placing of the captions or you want to further adjust your video, you can click Open in Adobe Express and edit your video for free there. Or you can just download the video as it is. So that's how you can add Spanish subtitles to your video. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Also, if you want to further support the channel, don't forget to check out our Buy Me a Coffee link in the description. Thank you for watching.